Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kazakh is easy. I'm Tlek and today we will try and learning Kazakh. Okay, let's start with Kazakh alphabet. Open this one. Kazakh alphabet have 42 Cyrillic letters and 9 additional Kazakh sounds. Okay, let's start. So we have to first letter is A. A. Repeat after me, please. A. 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 Like in bar. Next is special sound is Kazakh is A. 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 Repeat after me. A. 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 Next is B. 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 Like in big, yeah. Next is V. V. Like in voice. It is, yeah. Next is G. 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 Like in get. G. Okay. Next is also special sound in Kazakh language is G. 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 Repeat after me. G. G. Next is the, like in day, the. Next is ye, like in yes, ye. Next is yo. Next is j, like in measure, j. Next is z, like in zebra. Next is e, like in meat, yeah. Next is ich, like a e, but is more shortly, ich. Next is k, like in kid, k. Huh? Next is l, like look, l. Next is ma, like in mask. Next is na. Next is special sound of Kazakh, so it's like in song. Next is o, like in pot. Next is repeat after me. Like in woman. Next is p, like in park, p. Next is r, like in rock, yeah. Next is s, like a s, like in sport. Next is t, like in tie, t. It's hard voice, t, yeah. Next is u, yeah. And next is special sound. It is voice like it's like but it's harder also, like a bull, yeah. Next is it's like a but is more softly, yeah. Next is f, like in fine, fine. Next is h. Next is also h, like a h, no, but no, more deeply in throat, h. Next is ts, ц, ц, ц. Next is ch, 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 like in chair, chair, ch. Next is sh, 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 like in shorts, sh. Next is sh, 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 like a sh, no, but more softly, sh. Okay. Next is hard scene. If you see such letter, hard scene, it signifies that the preceding consonant letter is not palatalized. It means this letter not have sound, but its influence for letter who is where is have this sound is palatalized. Okay. Next is oo, 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 oo. Next is e, 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 like in. Next is also soft sing. If you see such letter soft sing, it is signified that the preceding letter is palatalized. Yeah. Next is e, bad, bad, e. Next is you, like you. And last is ya, like ya, like in ya. Okay, we trying to pronounce with all alphabet letters in this letter, in this course, in this training. And we first of all we have to can reading, learning to reading. It first of all our goals is learning reading in Kazakh, and then we have a much more in this language. So thank you for attention. See ya in two next videos. Жақсы сау болыңыздар, сау сәлемет болыңыз. Bye bye.